Hello everyone, this is Arpita Singh and I am here to deliver my presentation on the topic Understanding Harmony in Nature. So, harmony in nature. What does harmony mean exactly? It is nothing but the agreement between all units to live together in peace. So, do we see harmony in nature? The answer is yes, of course. We observe it in day to day life, and that's why we find the nature so balanced. It never happens that the lions eat up all the deer, or the deer eat up all the grasses, or the plants grow to the extent that there is no space for deer, or that there is lack of soil for new plants, and so on. So, yeah, we of course observe harmony in nature. In this presentation, I'll give you a more clear insight of how harmony actually works. We'll be talking about nature as collection of units, classification of units into four orders, how harmony works among the four orders, humans' role in maintaining the harmony, abundance in nature, human beings and mutual fulfillment, and finally the conclusion. Nature as collection of units. Nature is the collection of all the units the air, soil, water, plants, trees, animals, birds, human beings, and even things that are distant from us, like the sun, the moon, other planets, etc. All are different units of nature. Now, these units, even though these are innumerable, we classify them into four categories. Basically, these are the four orders of nature. These are physical order, bio order, animal order, and the human order. So, first, the physical order. Physical order is also called the material order. This order includes all the abiotic resources like the air, water, minerals, metals, and so on. Bioorder. This includes grass, plants, trees, etc. Animal order. This includes animals and birds. Human order. This includes the human beings. Now let us take a look at how harmony does actually work among these four orders. For this I am presenting a flow diagram. Just take a look at this diagram. You can actually realize how mutual fulfillment among these orders occurs. Material order, plant order, and animal order. In this flow diagram, we can easily see how these three orders are interconnected. Let me explain you this connection in brief. The material order provides the basis for movement of all the animals, birds, and fishes. Water, oxygen, and other gases are necessities for both plants and animals. At the same time, the animal order helps enrich the soil with its excreta, and these excreta helps the plants with nutrients. The bioorder provides food for animals, birds, and fishes. The animal order helps in pollination of flowers. So, we can see the relationship between these three orders is in such a way that they all fulfill each other and coexist with each other. Isn't this a very well appreciable design structure of nature? Yes. But wait, where is the human order in this flow diagram? It must be present, right? Because we human beings also constitute the four orders of nature. Well, this brings me to my next slide. This flow diagram includes human beings too. But there a question arises. Do we humans actually contribute similarly just like other orders do in maintaining the harmony? Let's check what our role is here in maintaining the harmony. Humans' role. We humans also have a natural acceptance to be mutually fulfilling to these three orders. However, sad but the truth is, we are not able to ensure this mutual fulfillment. There are many such instances that cannot be ignored, like we are dependent on physical order for soil and mineral and water, metals, etc. But we only end up polluting the soil and depleting the fossil fuels. We are dependent on plants for foods and for holding together the large ecosystem. But here also we have destroyed forests and destroyed multiple species of plants and herbs. We are dependent on animals to carry out production and transportation activities. But here also we have made many species of animals extinct. We can see that there is interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment in all the orders of nature except the human order. What can be the reason? Is the reason shortage of resources? Let's have a look at the resources available to us. Abundance in nature. You know, our nature has a very well organized structure. Our nature is organized in such a manner that the physical facility required for any order is available in abundance. The quantity of soil is far more than that of plants and trees, and both of these are available in far greater quantities as compared to the quantity of animals and birds. Human beings require all these three orders to survive, and the quantity of these three orders together is far more than the quantity of human beings. By its very being, nature is organized in a manner where quantity of all the four orders is in a sequence: physical order, which is very much greater than bio order, which in turn is greater than animal order, and which is greater than human order. Therefore, the requirement of any order is already available in abundance. So, I don't think that the reason is shortage of resources. Resources present is already enough for us to survive, but we humans have not been able to manage the resources and use them efficiently. So, is it our greed or our tendency to be most dominating in nature? We humans believe that we are only the most supreme creatures, and in order to fulfill our needs and greeds, we exploit others. We are the reason for global warming. We are the reason for depletion of ozone layer. We are the reason for destruction of many species of plants and animals. Thus, we are the reason for our self-destruction. So, do we really have the right understanding of nature? Once we human beings understand the mutual fulfillment among the four orders of nature, we can be fulfilling for all the other orders. With right understanding only, human beings will also be self-organized, in harmony within, and participate in harmony in the larger order. These are our goals of living. This is the way to live the right life. We are living to understand ourselves. We are living to understand others. We are living to understand relationship with the family. We are living to understand relationship with the society, and we are living to understand the relationship with the nature so that we can live happily. With this, I like to conclude: live happily, live with harmony. Thank you.